Cats scratch furniture, jump, fight for windows, and vertical space. Apartment dwellers struggle with limited space and restless, bored cats. Multi-cat homes face territorial disputes, damaged upholstery, and chaos. 73-inch vertical design creates climbing routes, saves precious floor space. 5 sisal-wrapped scratching posts protect furniture and satisfy instincts. 2 condos, hammock, perches, and pom-poms, offer varied, cozy retreats. Reinforced base with anti-tip kit ensures safety and stability. Happy, calmer cats, less furniture damage, peaceful multi-cat homes.